Welcome back to my channel as always. This time in a recent grads adventures, Deer Valley after a night of snow. Man, it was so fun to ski the powder, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Heading to Deer Valley right now. Kind of in standstill traffic on the way there. I guess that's what you get in a Utah powder day, but Deer Valley got about 4.5 inches overnight. Really jacked up to start skiing some great snow. First run of the day, Deer Valley, with the chest mount. I think I'm gonna rock the chest mount for most of today.
What's up?
I'm just talking to the camera. Get our legs under us, and then we're gonna go hit some other areas of the mountain.
Attaboy, Oliver.
I need wider skis for that. All right, we just took Sterling Express up. We're doing one of my favorite runs now. Just these wide open blues are so good. Deep snow. My skis are too thin for this. I wish I had my demos still. Whew. See that? All right, sending it this way. This is amazing. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, no. Oh man, I'm probably covered in snow right now. Oh, almost ate it there. Hit that mogul weird. This is a leg burner. Look at all that snow. Per usual, the full day of skiing. We got the burgers going right now with their little setup. I'm getting better at skiing around these bumps though. Improving a little bit every day, you know? Nearing the end of our day now. Last couple runs. Hey guys, I know this video is a little different with the chest mount the whole time, but wanted to give it a try. Hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.